on your left.
Grand State CTA station.
Have a nice day. And thank you for riding
Fuck is this guy?
Talk to say random shit and see if you
Grand State?
Grandin State.
Brandon?
Grand.
Oh.
This is Grandin State. Holy moly. This is like the first CTA elevator we've been on all day where the lantern works.
Well, none of the buttons light up though.
The classic spaceship cab.
Yeah. Remember the whole swing panel was like coming off.
Alright, motor.
Yeah.
Wow, Jason, thanks for showing us this epic motor. You sure we're right.
Oh yeah. I might take you the street elevator.
Oh, okay. Oh, I thought you meant this one was
No.
a pretty good one.
This one's actually pretty fast.
Rather quick, yeah.
At least with the leveling.
Well, no kidding, it's fast. Oh, I thought that said 750 feet per minute. I was like, wow. Well, actually, let me look at that anyway, so I can see the info. Focus. Sorry, Jason. You gotta go back.
I'm gonna end it down here. Oh, well, guess we're going back up.
You think the fun is over yet?
Is there any view out this, or is it just
Not whatsoever.
Schindler escalator? Wow. This is the street elevator here at the Grand State CTA station in Chicago.
St. Cat is the last one. Sorry, let me make cat do real quick.
Look at-
Oh boy. Oh my god.
Alright.
Yeah, how about that epic motor, Jason?
That's in Chicago and State.
It's a quiet...
Oh, really? He keeps. Oh no, wait, it's the other. Oh no, wait, it's the other one.
It's a quiet but nice motor. It's a Chewbacca motor. Chewie!
It's not my hand shaking. That is the actual elevator. Piece of shit.
Piece of beauty.
Look how close it is. Like,
Oh wow.